This is the ORION Super Pro Plus 12 litre pump up sprayer. It has a high working capacity of 12 litres. It has a 50 cm spray lance, which is also supplied with 3 tips. There's a targeted nozzle tip, which is a round nozzle, and there are 2 horizontal spray tips, one larger than the other. It's great for working on site or even in your work bay. It holds a substantial amount of liquid, which means that you can also spray that amount of liquid in a short time, which means less time wasted refilling your spray bottles. It's got a carry strap. It's got a transparent scale down the side so you can see how much is left within the sprayer. And it's also got a pressure gauge on the spray lance right here so you can see how much pressure you've pumped into the spray pump. It has a 1.4 metre braided hose, which is really durable and tough. And it has a lock handle on the top, so once you've pumped the sprayer to pressure, you simply lock tight, ready for spraying. It is also supplied with a filter, so when you are putting your liquid into the sprayer, you can ensure there are no contaminants going into it as well. That's the ORION 12 litre spray pump.